Hey, I'm Mark. I'm going to show you my vacuum kiln. I am drying fireplace mantles. They're roughly 5-6 inches thick, 10-12 inches wide. I have 6 of them in here now, wrapped in heating blankets. And it's time to drain the water out. So I have them pulled down into a vacuum, and this is the vacuum gauge. It's pretty low. And water boils in a vacuum. So right now, the water in the mantles, there's steam's coming out, it's boiling. And then that steam hits the outside of this cool pipe that I try to keep wet, and it condenses back into water, kind of like when you're boiling water in the house with a pot and the water is on the inside of the lid. So I've had this valve open, all the water drains into this pipe. So I close this valve, and I'm assuming that that pipe is full of water. And we're going to drain it and count the ounces. And it may take a few drains to get it all. But all that has come out of that wood.
That's wild.
So, looks like my container is going to be just big enough. And then I'll keep track of the ounces. I think that's going to be like 68 or 70. Yeah, that's going to be 64. So that's about 75 ounces. So now that I've closed that valve, I can open this one again. And real slow. So the air that I just let in is coming back in the tank, and I don't want it to blow water all over my mantle. So.
And the reason you have 2 valves is to keep the pressure in the vacuum
tank?
tank?
Keep the vacuum in there. Otherwise, I'd have to lose my vacuum. And it came down really well. I was able to close the door and use my shop vac, got it down to about 5 inches of mercury. And then I used this little pump, and it brought it all the way down. And then once I wet the outside of it, it brought it all the way down to 30 inches of mercury, which is about as low as you can go. So that's about 75 ounces.
So 30 inches of mercury is like a full vacuum seal?
Yeah, to get any lower than 30 inches of mercury, you got to have some really expensive pumps.
Okay.
And there's no need to go any lower than that for what we're doing. I mean, this is outer space here. So
what would happen if a human went in there? Suffocate?
You would turn into a raisin.
Oh.
Your moisture would leave you, and you would be turned into a raisin. Steam away to nothing, mummified.
Lord.
Well, first of all, you'd die because there's no oxygen.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and close this valve. I don't know if it's had time to fill up or not. But
And you said if we put food in there, you think it would dehydrate it?
yeah. It's real close to a freeze-dry system. So that was about it. It's been about 24 hours. So it looks like we're getting about 80 ounces.
Is that what you were hoping for? You're hoping for more?
I was hoping for 2 gallons. But we're going to put, I'm still experimenting with it. We're going to put some more heating blankets the next go around once I get these out of here. Well, we appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you when we pull them out of here.